Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by isolating the problem. Make sure your AirPods have enough charge and sit close to the phone you want them to pair with. Once done, open Bluetooth settings on that phone and on any other nearby phones that might automatically connect. If an unwanted phone shows your AirPods under paired devices, choose Forget or Remove to break that link. Make sure the AirPods case lid is open so the status LED is visible, and they'll broadcast pairing info to the intended device. Now you'll reset and repair to ensure only your chosen phone regains access. Press and hold the setup button on the back of the AirPods case for about 15 seconds until the LED cycles amber then white. That clears previous pairings. Next, with the case lid open and AirPods nearby, tap the AirPods entry on your primary phone's Bluetooth screen and accept pair. If you use iCloud, be aware automatic device switching can pair across your Apple ID, so adjust that setting if needed. Finish by locking down behavior. Turn Bluetooth off on other phones or toggle airplane mode on them while you test. For Apple users, open settings right arrow Bluetooth, right arrow AirPods, right arrow automatic device switching, and set to off so they won't jump between devices logged into the same Apple ID. If AirPods still connect to other phones, remove them from those phones' Bluetooth lists or reset network settings on your primary phone. If none of this works, contact Apple support. They can help diagnose hardware or firmware issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.